Hello, what's up guys? It is Sakyo, and today are going to see how you can create a web page automatic link on specific word, okay, with Hackway. And I click that on my folder. This is a Hackway project, and also I create in the drive main Hackway project, where is going that I here you can see that this is a main project, all file and included to another video I tell you uh, list by list, okay. And first is I will created in this folder is a setup page for automatic link on specific word, okay. And you can open and you can see to automatic link specific word in a web page article with giving, okay. You can also I give the codes, all codes on my GitHub repository, okay. You can also check my GitHub repository. You can check and go on account and search GitHub and my file is this is my profile Hackway underscore Hackway minus way, okay. And you can see that I always create a music player, okay. You can check that, and not waste of time, let's go on how can be created automatic link on specific word, okay, on your website. I will show you this, and here this is, and also even page from to Chrome, my setup page, and you can learn about all this code, the important codes. The code is the working, all I am defined that, and step by step you can see that step 1, step 2 by step, okay. Then how can work, I will use so.
This code is an HTML page that includes JavaScript and CSS. It features a paragraph of text with a disclaimer and a centered image. The CSS code styles the links in the text, giving them a blue color, removing the underline, and adding a bottom border that transitions to a different color on hover. The JavaScript code automatically converts specific words in the paragraphs into clickable links, using an object to define the words and their corresponding URLs. The code loops through each paragraph, splits the words, checks if a word matches one in the object, and replaces it with a link if there's a match.
Okay, you can also understand how it's working, and I will get up. First, I will index index. No, what is from that? I will index text.html and create a simple article. I go to the setup page and copy the simple article, okay. Copy and in a body paste that, and I also word wrap alt Z to word wrap in a VS Code is a default, okay. You can also and control S for saving the file, and I open the file. You can see index.html is here. You can see index.html is here, and I double click that, and you can see that the page, my web page, okay, is very simple. I also add the donate page. If you are donating and then you scan not working, scan is not working, I leave the comment, okay. And then you can see I am also add the style CSS is a simple, is anchor tag, and is coloring, and text decoration is none for lining, and text decoration is none for a simple anchor tag. For the anchor tag is not included. You can see in their code the anchor tag is not included. You can all this code is not included, okay. I am including through anchor tag in JavaScript. Okay, so and open the JavaScript, and you can see the JavaScript is here. You can see I am creating the JavaScript code automatic specific link. Okay, I defined a object container. Okay, this is object container. I defined that, and through the all paragraph you can see through the all paragraph you can grab this is all paragraph grab, and each of word grab. Okay, each of words to constants word variable. Okay, in split it to word length j plus plus, and constant word j, and I is I am using for length. Okay, if you are not understanding the JavaScript, you can also learn about how can JavaScript work. You can search that JAVA JavaScript tutorial, and much information on the internet, and you can learn. Okay, and then we if statement word and word to link. I am understanding for you. This is not sufficient, and I control Z is one wrap, and you can see that is here. The loop through each word. Okay, I mentioned all comments for understanding for you, and I inner HTML script split each word for word contents for J. Okay, and if word is word to link, I am if word is here, you can see word is here, and word to link paragraph is here, and word to link is here, is object. Okay, you can understand, and then I make a constant variable link. Okay, the link is all add on the word this is word list. Okay, word list real target blank. Okay, real target blank is a new tab. If a user is click that on link and open in new tab, replace the paragraph inner with modified text. Okay, all this code is deeply defined in my setup page. Setup. Okay, you can read that all and understanding for this my code. Okay, then I create I simple copy and paste. The video is very lengthy, that's why I copy that and copy and to the and from HTML and Control A and Control B. You can see that, and Control S, save and run. Go to and run that. You can see the automatic link. I am at the in object. My mouse is scrolling is not working. That's why I much time. You can see the object. Each and every object I mention the word. Okay, and then I link mention. You can see I am link a word, specific word like ethical, and the anchor tag not used in HTML, but I all defined to JavaScript. Okay, the ethical is here. You can see the ethical is here, link, and hover the green, and you can see the ethical is here, is not anchor tag using, is not anchor tag use in HTML, but using through JavaScript. Okay, I will always on link to about. Okay, this is about. You can see the about is not link anchor tag using, and I come from object defined and contain word. Okay, then I enter. Make sure you every enter is same, is small letter is, and also we small letter. Okay, I add ABOUT about. Okay, and then I link to Hackway channel. Okay, www.youtube.com/@Hackway, HACKWAY. Okay, then I add the comma, and I control S for saving, and refresh to my web page. You can see the about is link. Okay, each and every word to link through object, because it's very fast and usable, and no new using like a and then href and target rank is so much long you for time consuming for your time consuming. Okay, that's why I am created this my code. Okay, you can use my code, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, Hackway, HACKWAY. You can enter that and click that first link, and you can see is already 218 subscriber and 81 videos. Please subscribe that, and more videos I am created like this, and also all my main code is make on videos. Okay, see you next time. Okay, bye bye.